Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to view delivered orders in Temu, and now let's dive right in. Now to view delivered orders in Temu account, first open up your Temu app on your phone. After opening your Temu app, guys, on this interface at the bottom of the screen, you can see the bunch of icons available for us. Tap on the U button at the bottom middle section of the screen, and this kind of interface will appear where you can see your orders option available for us, which is the second one just below the messages. Tap on your orders and you land over here where you can see the all orders over here at the top of the screen, and the processing, your shipped and the delivered items are over here. Now any items delivered to you through Temu will be available or shown to you on this panel. And with that being said, guys, this is how you will be able to view your delivered orders in Temu. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.